In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson L1258 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Okay, before you download and use these resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable for a while your antivirus, including Windows real-time protection and the tamper protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After you disable for a while your antivirus, then you can download this resetter, the link on comments. After you download the file, you can just extract the file by right-clicking and select Extract All, and click Extract button here. After that, open the resetter folder and run the adjustment programs. For the first time use, you need a password that you can see on the password.txt file here. Okay, after the resetter is running, you can just click Select button and choose model name into L1258. After that, you can click OK. Continue by clicking particular adjustment mode button here. Then select was ink pad counter and click OK. After that, you can tick main pad counter option, flatten pad counter option, and ink system pad counter. Then you can click check button. After that, you can click initialize button here. After the resetting is successfully, then you can turn off your printer. After that, you can turn back on your printer again. In any case you face error, you can try to moving your USB printer into another available port on your computers. After that, you can try to repeat the resetting process. And that's all tutorial how you can reset Epson L1258 printer using resetter adjustment programs. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below. Thanks for watching and hope this video helpful for you.